Hong Kong has become the litmus test for the global community. We are at a historic crossroads today. Our freedom and democracy are under threat.
The human rights situation has significantly deteriorated in Hong Kong.
Prominent pro-democracy activists are being arrested and innocent people are being attacked in the streets of Hong Kong.
If the coronavirus pandemic has taught us anything, it's that the Chinese government's authoritarian practices of occupation, censorship, and repression are harming the entire international community.
It is imperative now, more than ever, for the international community to stand in solidarity with Hong Kong.
We need to learn from our past and crises of our present.
Xi Jinping and leaders of the Chinese Communist Party have failed.
We urge world governments to take immediate multilateral action to defend the rights of the people of Hong Kong.
Tibetans, Uyghurs, Taiwanese, certain Mongolians, and Chinese democracy movement stands with Hong Kong.
Now is the time for the international community to stand for Hong Kong.
Liberate Hong Kong, revolution of our time.